Good morning, all of you. This is the Dr. D.V. Rao from Department of Commerce. Presently, I would like to explain tax planning management subject. So here, TPM. TPM means tax planning and management. So what is the meaning of the tax planning? Tax planning, tax plus planning, it is a combination of the both words is called as a tax planning. So why should prepare the tax planning to the purpose of the taxpayer? Taxpayer benefit is the most important. At the same time, revenue also very important of the central government of India. So here, first slide, you can see first slide, need and significance of tax planning. Tax planning, you are the commerce students, you are the save the tax and income tax, very important factor, and also tax, it is the need of the government of India. Government collect the revenue by the purpose of the infrastructure in India. So here you are the commerce student, you are prepare the save the tax and awareness created in the taxpayers. In India, more 135 crores population and tax percent only 1.9% only. So taxpayers increase when the development also increase. So here, first slide you can observe, my dear student. First slide observe. Need and significance of tax planning. Reduction of tax liability. The basic need of the tax planning is to reduce tax liability by the arranging his affairs in accordance with the requirements of law as contained in the fiscal statutes. In many cases, a taxpayer may suffer a heavy taxation, not on account of the doses of the tax administered by the act, but because of his lack of awareness of the legal requirements. My dear students, underline this point. Because of his lack of awareness. No, yes, there is no particular awareness. Income Tax Act 1961 and 1962 income tax rules and regulation, particularly there is no awareness in India. The taxpayers, they are feel or felt that heavy tax, the government of India, heavy tax imposed on, they are feeling badly. So the commerce students, you can create awareness of the legal requirements. Legal requirements, what is the requirement? In the legal requirement, awareness created to the taxpayers. So this time the taxpayers, they feel very good, and then they are paid the tax and properly to the government of India. It is clear. You should prepare legal requirements and legal awareness created to the commerce students, created by the commerce students to the taxpayers purpose. So automatically revenue also increase. So taxpayer, they are not to feel a heavy taxation. They are paid properly tax to the government. Automatically revenue also increased. The government of India there is no punishable, there is no prosecution, definitely they are paid the tax. So here, lack of awareness always dangerous in the taxpayers. Okay, they are escaped from the tax. There is no awareness, they are escaped the tax. It is the loopholes are they are searching. Taxpayers, they are searching the escape from the tax. Okay, so my dear students, yeah, this awareness created to the taxpayers. Okay, and need and the significance of tax planning. Second one, minimization of litigation. Yes, second slide you can observe here. There is always tug of war between taxpayers and tax administrators. Taxpayers separate, tax administrators separate. Taxpayers try to pay the least tax, and the tax administrators attempt to levy higher amount of tax. Where a proper tax planning is adopted by the taxpayer in the conformity with the provisions of the taxation and the loss of the incidence of the litigations is minimized. My dear students, you can observe and carefully here taxpayer and taxpayer administrators. Here administrators means Central Board Direct Tax Department, tax commissioner or tax officers, they are administrators. Okay, so a conflict raised between taxpayers and tax administrators. Okay, so taxpayers understand they pay to the tax at least amount only. Tax administrator expected more higher amount of the tax collected from the taxpayers. Okay, so any conflict created here. Okay, so just you are create awareness of taxpayers and the tax administrator, the problem is solved. Automatically balanced is there. Automatically there increase the taxpayers. Taxpayers when increased, automatically amount of revenue also increased. Revenue also increased. Development also increased. The government of India infrastructure facilities also provides to the poor people. Infrastructure means roads, railways, power facilities, and hospitals. These type of infrastructure provides to the poor people. Automatically, the government of India a proper way, proper administration provides to the poor people or rich people or middle class peoples. Okay. Next one, productive investment, channelization of taxable income to the various investment schemes is one of the prime purpose of the tax planning, as it is aimed to attain twin objectives here. First one is harnessing the resources for the socially productive projects and relieving the taxpayers from the burden of the taxation, converting the earnings into the means of the further earnings. Students, here taxable income to the various investment schemes is one of the prime purpose of the tax planning. Okay. A proper taxation system implementation in India, automatically productive investors also increased. So there is no tax burden, automatically tax production investors also increased, automatically investment also increased. Okay, and fourth one, reduction in costs. Now you are seeing now the reduction of tax by the tax planning reduces the overall cost. It results in more sales, more profit, and more tax revenue. So reduction cost also decreased. Thus time investors also increased. Investors they're thinking positive attitude, profit profit or gain in increasing facilities available in India. So here reduction cost increase when investors also motivate or encourage the investment of the amount. Different sectors or a goods sector or produced and service sectors also produced depends upon the reduction in cost. Reduction cost is the most important. Reduction cost also increased. So the production investors they are discouraged. Reduction cost decreased when production persons, production investors, they are increase the investment. Automatically, employment generation also is there. Employment generation is created by the a good investors or a good industrialist persons. So here the government of India clearly awareness created to the tax system in India. So they are easy to understand the tax policies or tax rules and regulations. They are understandable, easy to understand, and there is easy to calculation of the tax and taxation policies. They are encouraged to the investment. Investment is the most important. The government of India, the government of India not invest all sectors. Private sector and public sector or government sector, both sector also very important. So each sector is the journey depends upon the a good production and a quality product and a quantity product, reasonable prices provides to the customers. So here, so reduction cost is the reduction cost very low. Automatically, the employees are increased, investors also increased. You can observe it. So healthy growth of the economy. It is a very important priority given to healthy growth of the economy. Yes, here a good competitiveness, a healthy policy also is very important in India. So a very good competition and provided by government of India. The growth of the nation, our economy is synonymous with the growth and the prosperity of its citizens. In this context, a saving of earnings by legally sanctioned devices fosters the growth of both. Tax planning measures are aimed at generating white money, having a free flow and generation without reservations for the overall progress of the nation. So here, the central government of India provide a good health policy, investment, health, growth of the economy is the most important in India. This time, a good environment, not a polluted environment. Before Indian law, all are equal. All investors are all equal. A good environment created. It is a fundamental duty of the government of India. Article 14 says that before Indian law, all are equal. In the same rule and same rules and regulations also implementation in the good environment in the society, then the national economy also increased, a prosperity also increased, a prosperity citizens also very important. In India, a prosperity citizens also very important. It means a legal actions there is no partiality. Some investors, some rules take the some decision making, and there is no partiality, not there, and automatically health growth of the economy is also created, and economic stability. So here tax planning results in the economic stability by way of availing of avenues for productive investment by the taxpayers. So second one is harnessing of the resource for the national projects aimed at a general prosperity of the national economy. A prosperity is a very important. The government of India, positive thinking, number one in the world. Number one world achieve the goal depends upon the a prosperity of the Indians. And the third one is reaping of the benefits even by those not liable to the pay tax on their incomes. My dear students, every state, 193 countries recognized in the United Nations of organizations. Economic stability depends upon the tax planning system. A tax planning system properly prepared in India, though economic stability also is there. With a improper planning system development, the nation also decline stage also there. So here, economic stability when increased, the employment generation also increased. That is the good results. It is indicated. So the government of India or the central direct board tax also prepare the rules and regulations carefully examination, then announced or through e-announcement. E-announcement means electronic announcement. Electronic announcement. Okay, so economic stability also very important. In any country, follow the economic stability, the employment generation also automatically increased. And employment generation, yes. Already, healthy growth of the economy and economic stability. So employment generation. So here tax planning creates employment opportunities in different ways. My dear students, you see this employment generation slide. Tax planning, a good tax planning, a proper tax planning creates employment opportunities in different ways. Firstly, efficient tax planning requires some sort of the expertise that creates the job opportunities in the form of the advisory services. And secondly, amount saved through tax planning is generally invested in commencement of the new business or the expansion of the existing business. This creates new employment opportunities. Yes, my dear students, employment generation is a very important any country or a small or big country. So it depends upon the a good employment generation. Employment generation properly increased, the land order also controlled, a peaceful environment created in the country. There is no proper employment generation in India or any country, automatically unpeaceful environment created. A valuable young and dynamic youth and a good knowledge and highly talented persons, their journey to the good employment generation. Automatically, employment generation, the income also or revenue also increased, a good prosperity also increased. A prosperity also increased, the nation also increase, the nation also a peaceful environment created. Okay, next. Precautions of the tax planning. Yes, it should be based on up to date knowledge of the tax laws. SSC must have an up to date knowledge of the statute. He must also be aware of the judgments of the courts and the circulars and notifications and the clarifications and administrative instructions issued by the CBDT from time to time. My dear commerce students, you can easy to understand and time to time update the knowledge tax laws. Every year in every nation, every year and every nation, time to time, tax laws also changed. Tax laws also changed. That's laws changed. Then update the knowledge also most important. Taxpayers taxpayers are tax administrators. Time to time update the tax knowledge also very important. SSC must have an up-to-date knowledge, the very important. So tax administrators also understanding and taxpayers also easy to understanding the tax policies. There is no confusion. Okay, so central board direct tax. Suppose any conflict, any issue is there, then you contact to CBDT, Central Board Direct Tax, and email also, and you contact the email also, CBDT system. So here, my dear students, so CBDT website also you can watch it. Some awareness are created through a website, CBDT website. Okay, and second one is the disclosures of the all material information and the furnishing the same to the income tax department is an absolute prerequisite of the tax planning. The concealment in any form would attract the penalty, often ranging from 100% to 300% of the amount of the tax sought to the be evaded. Section 271 under 1 under C read together with the explanation also there too. Okay, my dear students, you are understanding prerequisites under tax planning also. And the post side is the essence of the business, and the tax planning should also reflect this essence. Tax regime is a flexible in nature, and tax planning model must also be flexible so that it should be scrutinized in relative situations. Students, you can watch time to time scrutinized in the relative situations. And types of tax planning: short range, long range tax planning, permissive tax planning, purposive tax planning. The types of tax planning classification into three categories. One is short range and long range tax planning, and the second one is permissive tax planning. Third one is purposive tax planning. So here tax planning long range planning, short range and long range planning. So here, my dear students, you can observe this slide. Short range planning refers to year planning to achieve the some specific or limited objective. For example, an individual assessee whose income is likely to register unusual growth in the particular year as compared to the preceding year may plan to subscribe to the Public Provident Fund and NSCs within the prescribed limits in order to enjoy substance tax relief. Okay, now 15th slide. Permissive tax planning. Permissive tax planning is the tax planning under the express provisions of the tax laws. Tax laws of our country offer many exemptions and incentives. Dear students, you can observe Central Board Direct Tax permissible rules and regulations and the provisions of the tax laws and the tax policies and the tax rules and regulations understanding in India. So tax laws of our country offer many exemptions also provides to the taxpayers and good incentives also provides to the taxpayers. So understand awareness created to the taxpayers. And purpose of tax planning. Purpose of tax planning is based on the measures which circumvent the law. The permissive tax planning as the express sanction of the statute, while the purpose of tax planning does not carry such a sanction. So here, my dear students, the central government of India, Central Board Direct Tax Department prepare the time to time good awareness, legal activities, legal relativeness, legal rules and regulations, prepare the properly and the implementation in India. There is no confusion, remove the taxpayers and the tax administrators. So time to time update the knowledge, the very important to tax officers, tax commissioners, tax principal secretary and taxpayers. So both are responsibility or accountability feel in the uh, India or a country. Automatically a good system also developed. Automatically the government of India revenue also increased. So the infrastructure also increased. The good prosperity increased. Then the good is Indian citizens and prosperity citizens also prepared in India. So automatically a healthy environment or a good environment and a peaceful environment created in the internationally a good recognition the good recognition provided by the good tax policy system. Thank you one and all.